everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual, USB-C charging cable, a storage pouch, and an assortment of ear tips. Going over some specs, this comes in two colors, white and black. It features 4 hours of playtime and an additional 12 hours with the case with ANC on, 5.5 hours with ANC off, and an additional 16.5 hours with the case. It has fast charge, so 15 minutes will give you 2 hours. Bluetooth 5.3, LDAC, LHDC, SBC, AAC codec. High-res wireless audio and spatial audio. Knowles balance armature driver and a 10mm dynamic driver. 8 microphones. App integration. ANC, ambient, and game modes. USB-C for charging, and it's IP54 dust and water resistant. Taking a look at the case, it's small and compact. It has a matte finish all around, and you can see the logo on the top of the lid. You have the status LED on the front, and on the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and inside you'll find the pairing button in the middle. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. The earbuds have a short, flat stem design, and you can see on the inside face it has a glossy finish. You have the ear markings and the charging contacts. The outer face has a matte finish with the logo, and you have the microphones on the top and bottom, and you also have the surface for the touch controls. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback, calls, ANC, ambient, and game mode. As mentioned, this has app integration, and once you're connected, you can see the battery levels, toggle ANC, ambient, and game mode, select from EQ presets, or customize your own. You can toggle the LED colors on the front, and you have the general settings for control assignments, tap sensitivity, and wear detection. The case weighs in at 47 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Waiting on the edge of this moment, holding out for something golden. Found a light on a hill. I was waking up, looking for peace in a world that's divided. Gotta hold on tight when you find it. I was turning around, I was waking up. You're pulling me right in, rotate to you again. I'll live the rest of my life by your side.
Turn me up in the headphone. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got a lot.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were comfortable and they seated well in my ears. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals and they felt secure. Touch controls are a plus as they don't add unnecessary pressure. Build-in quality is decent, in line with previous Edifier products. It feels solid and it has a simple look to it. The earbuds don't protrude out once seated in your ears. Touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. I like the app integration and battery life is respectable. The ANC feature worked well and it blocked out the surrounding noises, and the ambient feature picked up the sounds loud and clear when activated. Overall, the microphone was loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it definitely has the Edifier sound signature. The bass comes in deep, punchy, and tight. It doesn't overwhelm. Mids and highs are clean and clear, vocals and instruments stand out. There's a wide sound stage. It was a pleasant listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. You also have the option to customize your EQ settings. This is another solid pair of earbuds by Edifier. It has a lot of features and it's priced competitively. So that is my review of the Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.